Hello students, welcome to the series of our economics of power generation, that is our unit number 6. Okay. Till now we have been through 3 to 4 types of numericals. In today's lecture we are going to see a cost of power generation type of numericals. So the ultimate aim of these types of numericals is to determine rupees per kilowatt hour. Okay, so these are the rupees which are required to produce this much amount of energy in an hour, right? So this problem statement is a power plant of 210 megawatt installed capacity has following particulars. Capital cost is rupees 18,000 per kilowatt installed capacity. So that is how a capital cost is represented as rupees per kilowatt. Interest and depreciation is 12%, annual load factor is 60%, annual capacity factor is 54%, annual running charges are rupees 200 into 10 raised to 6. Energy consumed by power plant auxiliaries is 6%. Okay, power plant auxiliary is nothing but the auxiliary equipments that assist the power plant. So the energy associated or the energy consumed by them is nothing but the energy consumed by power plant auxiliaries, which is a 6%. Okay, so interest and depreciation, we know what is meant by annual load factor. Load factor is nothing but our average load divided by maximum demand. Capacity factor is nothing but average load divided by capacity, rated capacity. Fine. So to determine its first cost of power generation and second a reserved capacity. Okay, in last lecture we have seen how to calculate the reserved capacity. It is nothing but installed capacity minus maximum demand. With the help of load factor we can calculate the maximum demand, and with the help of annual capacity factor we can determine the average load. Okay, first is our cost of power generation. Cost of power generation is nothing but the rupees per kilowatt hour. Okay, so it is a ratio of annual cost divided by energy produced. Annual cost in a year divided by energy produced in a year. Okay, given things: capacity, interest and depreciation, load factor, capacity factor. First thing to determine is cost of power generation. Okay, we had given the capacity factor. It is nothing but average load divided by rated capacity. Average load will be equals to capacity factor multiplied by rated capacity. Capacity factor is 0.54, rated capacity is 210 into 10 raised to 3 kilowatt. So average load will be 113.4 into 10 raised to 3 kilowatt. Energy produced per year will be average load multiplied by number of hours in a year. Average load is 113.4 into 10 raised to 3 kilowatt multiplied by 8760 hours. So energy produced per year will be 993.39 kilowatt per hour. So this is the energy produced by the power plant, but we have to subtract the energy consumed by the auxiliary equipments, and the energy consumed by the auxiliaries is 6%. So total or actual energy produced will be 1 minus E into 993.39, which will be 934.15 into 10 raised to 6. Now with the help of load factor we have to calculate the maximum demand. Okay, so maximum demand will be load factor, average load divided by load factor. Average load is 113.4 into 10 raised to 6 and the load factor is 0.6. So maximum demand is 189.8 into 10 raised to 3 kilowatt. So as we have seen, the cost of power generation is nothing but rupees per kilowatt hour. So till now we have calculated to, total energy that is being produced in a year in form of kilowatt hour. So the aim is to calculate the rupees or total cost of power plant. So total cost of power plant is nothing but the fixed cost plus running cost. Okay, fixed cost can be calculated with the help of this plant capacity multiplied by cost of plant per kilowatt. Plant capacity is 210 into 10 raised to 3 kilowatt into 18,000 rupees. So it will be 8780 into 10 raised to 6 rupees. Okay, so this will be a fixed cost. Now to calculate the running cost, we have to calculate the interest and depreciation associated with this cost. So it is a 12%. 12 divided by 100 into 3780 into 10 raised to 6, which will be nothing but 453.6 into 10 raised to 6 rupees. So total annual cost will be fixed cost plus running cost. So it will be near about 653 into 10 raised to 6 rupees. So cost of power generation will be annual cost divided by energy produced. Annual cost we have determined 653 into 10 raised to 6 divided by energy produced is 934.15 into 10 raised to 6. So this will be our 0.699 per unit, rupees per unit. Okay. Reserved capacity is given by installed capacity minus maximum demand. Installed capacity is 210 megawatt and maximum demand is 189 megawatt. So reserved capacity will be 21 megawatt. Thank you.